Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and disconnecting power, safety first. Once unplugged, remove any battery and open the case using the correct screwdriver. This prevents strip damage. Make a clear photo of the terminal and surrounding wires so you know orientation when reassembling. Use a magnifier to inspect the terminal for corrosion, bent pins, or loosened solder joints. You need to see the fault before acting. Now, set small parts in a labeled tray so nothing is lost as you proceed. You now diagnose precisely. Test continuity across pins with a multimeter so you confirm which connection is open. If pins are corroded, clean with 90% plus isopropyl and a soft brush. Once dry, try reseating the connector. For crack solder, gently reflow each joint with a fine-tip iron, use flux and minimal heat, you avoid lifting pads. If the terminal is physically broken, replace it with the exact part. Make sure pin spacing and orientation match before soldering. Once repairs are complete, you reassemble following your photos so orientation is perfect and screws go back into original holes. Tighten evenly to avoid stress. Power up and test the port and related functions. Transfer data, charge, or attach peripherals while watching for abnormal heat or smells. If something fails, make one key check. Re-examine solder joints and continuity, and ensure the connector is fully seated. Often a missed cold joint or a slightly misaligned pin causes the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.